Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Robinhood to M1 Finance. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use M1 Finance and you want to go ahead and start a transfer to move your Robinhood all the way to M1 Finance. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you first want to do is log on to M1 Finance, then click on Invest on the bottom hand side. Then make sure you're in the correct portfolio. Once you're in the correct portfolio, you want to go ahead and click on the three lines on the upper left hand side, scroll down, and then you're going to go ahead and click on transfer an account to M1. So over here, you're going to see that we have the option to transfer a brokerage account or ROA to M1. So what you'll do is that you're going to go ahead and click on an entire brokerage account or IRA, click on continue. And then from here, you're going to search by brokerage name. So we're going to go ahead and type in Robinhood and then click on Robinhood. And then it's going to ask you for your Robinhood account number. So the Robinhood account number is a 9-digit number and indicated in your statement. Afterwards, simply follow the on-screen prompts and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and transfer money from Robinhood to M1 Finance. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.